What you're looking at isn't just a motorhome. It's a 40-ton insurance policy for the end of the world. This is a $5 million fortress on wheels that proves you don't have to sacrifice luxury just because everything else is falling apart. Built to dominate the harshest environments on Earth, this machine is designed for people who don't just want to survive. They want to thrive no matter what happens. From the outside, it looks like something straight out of a military convoy. A massive armored body, aggressive angles, and a presence that commands attention instantly. This rig sits on a powerful 8x8 military-grade chassis, giving it unmatched off-road capability. We're talking about the kind of strength that can handle deserts, mountains, snow, and terrain most vehicles wouldn't even attempt. The oversized all-terrain tires, reinforced suspension, and elevated ground clearance make sure nothing stands in its way. But the real magic is in what you don't see at first glance. This motorhome is packed with advanced survival technology. It features a high-end biological and chemical air filtration system, keeping the interior environment safe even in the worst conditions. The electronics are shielded against EMP attacks, meaning critical systems stay operational when everything else fails. And when it comes to power, this machine is built for independence. A massive solar array combined with battery storage allows it to operate completely off-grid for extended periods. Water? Not a problem. The integrated 1,000-gallon purification system ensures you always have access to clean, drinkable water no matter where you are. This isn't just convenience, it's complete self-reliance. Now step inside, and everything changes completely. The moment the heavy armored door closes behind you, the outside world disappears. Instead of a rugged survival vehicle, you're surrounded by a luxury interior that feels more like a high-end penthouse than a motorhome. Premium leather seating, soft ambient lighting, and elegant finishes create a warm, comfortable space designed for long-term living. The living area is spacious and modern, perfect for relaxing after a long journey. Right next to it, you'll find a fully equipped chef-style kitchen, complete with high-end appliances, sleek countertops, and everything needed to prepare meals just like you would at home. Move further inside, and you enter the master suite, a private space designed for comfort and relaxation. With a large bed, stylish design, and high-end materials, it rivals luxury hotels. The bathroom takes things even further, offering a spa-like experience with modern fixtures and premium finishes. But this isn't just about comfort, it's about control. Hidden within the vehicle is a smart command center, giving you full access to navigation, security systems, and all onboard functions. Everything is designed to keep you in charge, no matter the situation. Building something this massive and capable isn't easy. A 40-ton vehicle that can still climb steep inclines and handle extreme terrain requires serious engineering. Every component is reinforced, every system is optimized, and every detail is built with purpose. The custom suspension system ensures stability and performance even in the most challenging environments. At the end of the day, this isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. A blend of power, luxury, and survival technology that pushes the limits of what's possible on wheels. So here's the question. If the world ended tomorrow, would this be your ride? Or is $5 million too much for the ultimate survival machine?